So this is what the basement looked like before the renovation. So I'm taking you guys along on this journey with me. It should take about 2 weeks to install the bathroom, and then we'll go on to the other section. So this is the area. Oh, hi, kitty cat. He's watching me. But this is the area where the bathroom is going to be in. And this is the roughing from the builder when we got the house. When I got the house, this is what the builder had put in for the roughing for the bathroom. And so that makes life a lot easier for the contractor when he comes in. So this is what we're dealing with. This is the area that we're going to work with. And this is my contractor. He is outlining where the bathroom will be. So he's trying to put up the 2x4. Coming along. This is so fast. I can't believe all this is happening. Better? In this house. Choose this. And this is too big. And the bigger size is not. This is too big for the shower, he said. It's a little bit too big. This is a better size. But I love the colors in here. But I'm trying to pick out the handle for the bathroom.